savers, how are you all doing? I hope you are all doing good and you are saving better than I am. So this week, today's budget of course is the £200 and I have took out 140 because two of my spends this week are payments that are going to be online, so there's no point in me taking out that money because I'm going to have to do the transactions online, so I may as well just do them online and then just take out the remainder. So I have written down here what my spends are for this week. So £4.50 on food, 20 to the water, 30 to the council tax, 40 to Argos and 20 to Very and 40 to the boys' beds. Now my Argos card is actually doing really good. I'm nearly finished paying it off and I'll have it paid off before its due date, so that's mega for me. The next one we're trying to hit is the Very and the boys' beds. They're my next biggest purchases. Now the Very one isn't too bad, it's like 200 quid, but I would just still prefer it to be less. Now all of these things I buy are always interest free because I refuse to pay interest on these things. I try my best to get them paid off as quickly as possible or have enough saved up that when I'm doing my first instalment of payment, it'll take a big chunk away from the actual price. But with the boys' beds, unfortunately, that didn't plan out the way I wanted it to. So I wound up taking the £700 that I needed for it on the credit. It is interest free until the 1st of January. So I want to have it all paid off by the end of December with any luck. Please God, let's just keep this going the way it is. Maybe even my 1p challenge might even be able to help me out there massively as well, but we'll see. So let's just count this together. There should be 140 in this. 20, 40, 60, 80, 110, 120, 130, 140. Nothing too extravaganza this week. It's been a quiet week. I have noticed that since I started going to the gym that I am not spending as much as I used to because all my time is spent in there now, and I feel the better for it. Also guys, before we get into the whole cash stuff and thing, don't forget to like and subscribe. I would love to have you here on my journey of saving money. This channel is quite a plethora of other content. We have makeup, we have vlogs, we have days out, we have a lot of gardening because that's where I'm at the minute. I'm saving money and I'm gardening. Most of my gardening as well is actually, I get most of it either for free or quite affordable off Facebook and Google and stuff. So it is worth a look if you're interested in gardening and trying to be sustainable for less, I suppose, as they say. Right, let's get into it. So on my pocketbook, so we are going, let me see, where are we? Food first, because we need that. That's always a necessity. So 50 is going into my food box. Jesus. 50 is going into my food pocket. That's what I'm trying to say. I have found since putting the price up from 40 to 50, it's helping me out so much more. I don't feel so restricted. Now we are putting 20 into the water. Where's the new water one? Is that it there? Yeah. That's that one closed over. 30 is going into the council tax. You all know that is one bill I hate paying. But anyway, it has to be done. And where else are we? 40 then is going into Argos. And I cannot wait to go into the post office at the end of this. I might actually go in early this week, or this month with it, and actually pay it off. I am due a minimum payment on the 25th of this month. But I think I'll actually get in before it and cash stuff it, get rid of it. Okay, so that is my week done. Now let's do a penny saving challenge and let's see how we get on. I know I haven't had too many coins this week. So here goes. £1, 150, 160, 170, 180, 190, £1.93. Well, you know what? It's better than nothing. £1.93. Here we are. We're up here. It is all savings, my friends. All savings. Every penny counts at the end of the day. That's getting nice and heavy now as well, so. Like the rattle of money, honey. So yeah, another little cash stuff in this week. Nothing too major. I am doing this very slowly because I am very cautious of my money. I like to pay things off, and I'm not going very fast. I know a lot of people have sinking funds and stuff like that. Right now, this minute, I cannot afford a sinking fund. Maybe when I have like some of my bigger bills paid off, like the Argos and the beds, I can look into doing sinking funds in the future. And maybe potentially when I get working full time again, that would be something I'll be able to look into. But for the minute, it's not. So I would just pay what I have to pay and just live my life, as they say. Thank you guys so much for watching this video, and I shall see you on the next one, Super Savers. Don't forget to keep saving. Talk to you soon. Bye. To round up today's video on what I did today with our cash saving and stuff, I did go to Lidl, which is where I normally shop, and I did my normal shopping. This is really late at night, like it's now 10 o'clock, and I did a full shop and it came to £54.69. Obviously 50 was my budget, so I did go a little bit over, but I can see where I went over. I did get a few extra things. I'm just going to show you what I got for £54. Okay, so we got some Crispies, our normal big multi-pack, because you know they go flying in this house. A thing of strawberries and some raspberries. I had to get some lactose-free milk because Saoirse we think has an allergy, so we're just going to try this and see how we get on. Some tuna, 2 packets of cream cheese in the herb, 2 packages of Irish sausages. So it was cheaper to buy them like this rather than get them frozen. It was actually 2p cheaper. I know that doesn't seem a lot, but I actually got 8 and 8 is 16 sausages in this for $1.98, and otherwise to buy the, what are the other, that Richmond, it was $1.99 and I only got 14, so I'm getting 2 more this way. I got some fish fingers, the skinny chips, thing of sweet corn, some salami, some mince, 2 things of bread, tea bags, crackers, pasta. I got some chicken thighs here because I'm going to do something with them. Some broccoli, large mushrooms, some of these seafood sticks because the kids love them. Bananas, 2 packets of apples, some onions, these little mini molten pork pies, or mini Melton pork pies. What else did I get? Some grapes, 2 different types of coleslaw. One is a cheese coleslaw, and the other one, oops, you can see it there, is a coronation chicken one. So I just thought it might be, or a coronation coleslaw. I just thought it might be nice, something different. Some mayonnaise, garlic, and some chocolate spread because I have none. Some bacon, wafer thin roast chicken slices. Okay, I got cut out there. I got my cheese, my normal one, my slices. I got some, they're like a Proactive yogurts, and I also got the Optimal Lidl's version, some fromage frais for Saoirse, some peaches, and some tomatoes. Now when my own tomatoes come in, I will be obviously using my own. And I got some cream. But other than that, that is all what you get in Lidl for £54.